Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Please prepare your pens and notebooks. Let's start our lesson. Today's theme is the Baikonur cosmodrome and NASA. In today's lesson, we will learn new words, know about the Baikonur cosmodrome and NASA, and do the tasks. Please look at the screen. There are some new words. Read and write. Space, space, ғарыш, spacecraft, spacecraft, ғарыш кемесі, spaceport, spaceport, ғарыш айлағы, satellite, satellite, жер серігі. Now, boys and girls, watch the video and listen the text.
The Baikonur cosmodrome is a spaceport in Kazakhstan in Kızılorda Oblast. It is near the village of Toretam. The world's first satellite, Sputnik 1, went into space in 1957. Then, in 1961, Yuri Gagarin was the first man to travel in space. Baikonur is a very interesting place to visit. You will learn all about space exploration, then and now, and you'll feel like a cosmonaut for a day.
You have watched the video about the Baikonur cosmodrome. Now, please watch the video about NASA.
NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administrations, began in the USA in 1958. NASA's work is to explore space. NASA sends out different spacecraft to explore other planets and to collect information. NASA sent the first spacecraft Apollo 11 to the Moon in 1969. In 2020, NASA will send a spacecraft to Mars to explore the Red Planet. That's exciting!
Okay, boys and girls, I hope the videos were very interesting for you. Now, read the sentences. Are they true or false? The Baikonur cosmodrome is a spaceport in Kazakhstan in Kızılorda Oblast. Yes, that's true. Very good. The world's first satellite, Sputnik 1, went into space in 2019. That's false. And correct sentence is, the world's first satellite, Sputnik 1, went into space in 1957. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin was the first man to travel in space. Is it true or false? You are right, that's true. NASA's work is to explore land. True or false? That's false. And the correct sentence is NASA's work is to explore space. In 2020, NASA will send a spacecraft to Mars to explore the blue planet. What do you think? Is it true or false? Let's check your answer. Of course, it is false, and the correct sentence is in 2020, NASA will send a spacecraft to Mars to explore the red planet. Dear children, you did a great job. Now, please complete the dialogue. Where did you go yesterday, Sayat? Sayat will answer. Now, let's check your answer. I went to the Baikonur cosmodrome with my dad. Where is it? Are you ready to answer? This sentence is, it's near the village of Turetam. Very good. Let's check your answer. You can learn all about space then and now. That's very easy. Let's check. You must. It's very interesting. You did a great job, guys. Now, boys and girls, let's complete the puzzle. Across. 2. They sent, think about this word, okay? Into space from the Baikonur cosmodrome. Please tell me, what word is it? Correct, spacecraft. I'd like to think about this word, other planets. Could you guess? Explore. Very good. 5. The Baikonur cosmodrome is near the of Turetam. Yes, the word is village. Now we will go down. 1. I'd like to become an astronaut and travel into... What word is it? Yes, you are right. The word is space. 2. Sputnik 1 was the world's first... Think about this word. What do you think? You are right. The word is satellite. And the last one, number 4. We must take care of Earth. What is the word before the Earth? Of course, this word is planet. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job today. I'm very proud of you. Today we have learned new words, we have read the texts, and completed the crossword puzzle. Now the lesson is over. Goodbye and have a great day today.